Every time you find something good online, you close the tab and forget it exists, right? Here's how to save any web page straight into your Obsidian notes in like 2 clicks. First thing, go to obsidian.md/clipper. This is the official page, so it's safe and free. Click Get or Add to Browser. It'll take you to your browser's extension store. Confirm the install, and just like that, you've got the Obsidian icon sitting in your browser toolbar. If you don't see it right away, click the puzzle piece icon and pin it so it's always visible. Now let's actually save something. I'm on this article I want to keep. I just click the Obsidian icon and this panel pops up on the right. Look at that. It already grabbed the title, the source link, and even a description, all on its own. Down here under Properties, you've got all the details it pulled in: title, source URL, when it was created, a short description, and tags. You can click into any of these and edit them if you want. Below that is a preview of the actual content it's about to save, already converted into clean markdown. And right here, it shows which folder it's going into. Mine's set to clippings. Once it looks good, I just hit Add to Obsidian at the bottom. And boom, switch over to Obsidian, open the clippings folder, and there's my new note, fully formatted in Markdown with all those properties at the top and a link back to the original page. That's really it. Anytime you're reading something worth keeping, one click and it lives in your notes for good. Try it on the next article you read. Took me longer to explain than it does to actually do.